What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to look at an unboxing of the Huawei Nova 8i. We're going to talk about the phone build and design, the accessories, the specs, features, and of course the camera, fast charger, AI voice, and you know, I'll do a full review. So right in the box we get the phone itself, the Huawei Nova 8i, in this nice metallic premium finish. While I'm turning this on, you can look at its accessories and the specs. It comes with a snapdragon processor. Of course, we'll confirm to make that sure. I think a snapdragon 625, and that's a mid-range CPU. And here are the accessories. You get a super fast 66 watt fast charger, earphones. Sorry for the condition, it's not the first time I opened them, but yeah. And of course the cable, the USB to fast charger cable. Let's turn the phone on. The phone features a full HD plus display. Full HD plus display, and the phone is capable of showing 1 billion colors. Let's turn it on. Let's put it on performance mode and see the performance. But so far so good, you know, I haven't really had any problem with the performance. Okay, it just comes from a phone boot, but we'll also look at the multitasking performance. Oh, Instagram. So yes, this is the phone itself. We're gonna look at the speed test. We're gonna look at the audio. Of course, we're also gonna look at the photography quality. I must say that this really is a good phone. It has a full HD plus display. And if you can look at the resolution, it is a full HD plus display. Yes, it's a full HD plus display. It's over 1080p, and it has a very high PPI count. If you look at the camera performance, it's not bad. It was first bad, and then I did a software update, and I'll be adding some tips on how to take some good pictures. The phone itself is a very decent performer. You know, it has no problem keeping apps open in the background. You know, nothing like that. And if you can head over to social media, it really doesn't struggle performing. It really does not struggle performing. It comes with a 66 watt fast charger, 8 GB of RAM, Snapdragon 625 processor. Let's test the audio. Oh yes, it even comes with this theme world where you can get the best themes. And the battery life is very good. You get over a day, and with power save you can get 2 days out of it. I don't know in normal mode, but in power save mode you can get two days out of it. So let's just try any song right now. Just to see, let's try Eminem. The audio is very good. I'm satisfied. So yes, the audio is very good and I'm satisfied, and I'm also very impressed with the front camera. It's like I said, there's also G-Space, but I wouldn't recommend using that because the Huawei app gallery is far, and as you can see, this is the YouTube. It works perfectly flawlessly, just like normal YouTube. As you can see, it's fast on the internet. The multitasking speed is fast, no problem there. I have all these apps open in the background. I was really shocked. So yes, oh yeah, that's pedal voice. And there's also a feature called AI voice. What is the time today?
You may check the search results I found online.
Show me the latest results.
I found the following game results.
Oh yes, this is AI voice. It kind of replaces Siri in its own way, and this is the gallery. So yes, camera is very good. Here are some shots I had. Camera quality is really good, I won't lie. Just put it on portrait mode and update the software, and you're good to go. So here are some shots. The colors are natural and bright and vivid. I have a problem with low light performance, but in this dark mode. So this phone really has a high resolution PP camera. So yeah, it takes out a lot of details, and really deep details. Yes, so that's the Huawei Nova 8i. Very impressive for the price, and you can find them cheaper, and you can also find them second hand. So yes, this is the phone itself. I will be doing a photography review soon. Thank you very much.